Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you prefer a long break or several short breaks?
It all depends on the circumstances. If I have a lot of work to do, I prefer to take several short breaks to stay focused. A longer break would be more beneficial if I'm feeling overwhelmed.
Question number 2. How often do you take a break?
Every 90 minutes or so, I try to take a break. I usually take a few minutes during these breaks to stretch or get some fresh air.
Question number 3. What do you usually do during a break?
I usually take a break to clear my mind and recharge. I might do something active, like walk around the block, or I might just meditate or listen to music for a few minutes.
Question number 4. Why do you need to take a break?
Taking a break allows me to refocus and reset. It keeps me energized and productive, and it keeps me on top of my tasks. Taking a break also allows me to reduce stress and maintain my mental health.
Question number 5. Do you think having a break is important for you?
Absolutely, taking breaks is critical to my productivity and well-being. Breaks relieve stress and allow me to be creative and think more deeply about my work. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.